Welcome to eXpd8. In this module, I'd like to show you how the document merge works. The document merge can be used to create a brief for counsel or a booklet of titles, or as a complete summary of the file for the client. You simply name and organize it as you need. I'm going to locate a particular file called John Smith, and within that file, notice here on the top toolbar, next to activity, I have the option for document merge. Now it looks very similar to the activity page, the only difference being that I have the option to select or deselect various activities within the file. So I will select everything here, but let's take out the odd one here and there so we can see how that looks. And then I can get to click the Generate button, which will take me into the document merge window. Now that I'm in there, you can see that I have two previously run briefs, so I can choose to either open one of these, or in this instance, I'll create a new brief altogether. So click New and name the brief. Create. This then will take me into the workings for brief number 3. So what it's showing me is all of the items that I had selected to bring with me and the previously generated headings, which I may choose to use or not use as the case may be. I can also choose to add more headings here should I need it. But I'm going to, for the moment, select the correspondence, and I'm going to select medical reports, and let's say pleadings. Now, I've just simply dragged and dropped those headings in. I do get the facility to choose each item and to add it to whichever heading I believe it belongs to. So let's put that under miscellaneous. And we'll put this item here under correspondence. Now within those headings, I do have the option as well to select an item and bring it down the list. So I can choose that diary appointment and put it to be the bottom item within this heading. I also have the facility to reorganize the headings. If I decide I want medical reports to be at the top, I can select them and move it up the list. So medical reports go right to the top there. Having done that, I hit the Run button. Now, in hitting Run, this will generate the brief for me as I have laid it out this time. This can take a few moments, depending on the size of the document. I recently ran one of 390 pages, which took about almost 30 minutes to run, but it's certainly a lot quicker than standing at the photocopier and removing every page from a hard copy file. This then is the brief that has been generated for us. As named, it's called Brief 3. And if I scroll down a little bit on that first page, it's got some details like the file code, etc., the name of the file and the date created. And it's generated for me the table of contents. Remember, I put the medical reports at the top there, and notice how all of the documents will be, as we get down here, paginated. Now, it'll bring in just about every file type for us. That's a scanned in PDF there. There's another PDF. There will be documents we will have generated in-house. There can be emails within the brief. So it can comprise of pretty much any file format. If your PC can handle the application, the brief can pretty much include that format for you. So that's the brief.